Hi guys, voiceover time because the battery went in my wireless microphone again. Um, Doing a little solar project with a solar light. That meant I had to dig out a battery box from my stock, and I noticed this one's got good contacts in it. You may remember these ones in the controller for Patrick's Star are badly corroded. So this gives me an opportunity to pinch the ones out of there and put them in the controller. Now, these do actually pull out quite easily with a bit of gentle persuasion. They're just a tight fit. For the solar project, I only need one battery, which means these are definitely spare. And they just happen to fit absolutely perfectly at that end. The other end will need a little bit more work. I'm just saying I only need one battery there, so the others are spare. So again, that double plate, if I cut that in half, I'll be able to use it to replace the two single plates at that end. The only problem is the existing ones, they have tags that go through to the inside, and that's where the batteries are soldered on from the actual circuit board. So I'll just cut that one in half and solder directly to it. That'll do the job. Gonna have to take it apart so we can actually get to the back of these tags and solder this one in place. We'll cut it in half, as I say. I'll solder some tags on it. Well, you'll see. Okay. We could look on the back just to see what sort of chip it is that's running it. Oh, it looks like they may have domed those plastic tags over to stop it coming out. We'll go close up and see if we can see it. Well, I can't quite get a close enough view on it on video, so I'll use macro mode or something to actually get it. But it does say TX2 on it, which is your standard TX2 chip in the transmitter and RX2 in the receiver. So I've pushed the wires through the holes, because originally they were just on those tags on the back, pushed them through, soldered them directly to the new tags, and then pushed them back in again. So that should do the job. We've got nice fresh springs there and shiny metal, so that ought to work. Just in case you're not entirely sure about how these things work, they've done it very cheap. These springy bits of metal are the on-off switches for that would be the left, right, there. And here you can actually see, because this is still in place, that rocks backwards and forwards and pushes those springs down to make contact. figure out what was going wrong. That has to go over there first. That's better. Okay, I'll put the screws back in and we'll test it. So nice shiny contacts in there. Yeah, it looks like we're okay. I've managed to drop the little screw on the floor somewhere. We'll search for that later. So it works. I'll just try a range check because the range wasn't very good. Oh, you can't see it. Yes, the range still isn't very good. We're probably talking 4 meters, maybe 6 meters. Which is good enough for a toy. If you missed the previous episode, I've actually got him running on a small LiPo battery in there, because I haven't changed the battery contacts in there. They're still a bit corroded. So the easy fix was to put a connector in there. It runs on 3 AA batteries. So a single LiPo battery is about the same. Freshly charged, that gives us 4.2 volts. 3 AA batteries give us 4.5 volts. So it's close enough for it to run okay. But I'd have to change all of those battery contacts to actually make it run well with ordinary AA batteries. So that was the quick and easy fix on that end. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.